my name is Katie Welch, and I play the character of Ida. I play Ugly's mother, and I just would like to encourage you all to come and see our production of Honk the Musical. It is just a wonderful story that has life lessons about accepting others for who they are, about being proud of who you are, and it just, for me, it touches my heart to be a part of this production, to put those lessons out there so that other people can see them, to help our generation, because those lessons are applicable to people of ages 90 to 100, all the way to the ages of the kids that are in the show of 9 and 10. So I'm just really encourage you to come out and see this show. We work so hard, and it's going to be so amazing. And I just would love to see your faces out.
Hi, my name is Colin Snitchler, and I play the part of Drake, the father of the ugly duckling. And I am in this show because I heard of the awesome talent that was being put into it from the director and the music director. And I really want my part, Drake, to be just a total jerk. And it's kind of hard for me. I'm not saying I'm a super nice person, but it's hard to be this much of a jerk. And that's another great thing, is that this pushes the acting skills that we have to put into this show.
Hi, I'm Louis Torres, and I play Ugly in the production of Honk at BCT. I auditioned for the role of Ugly because I felt that I related most to Ugly, because coming from a person who didn't have a lot of self-confidence growing up, I felt that I needed to find the swan within me, and I think everyone relates to Ugly at one point in their life, and they just need to find the swan within them.
Hello, my name is Adam Jackson, and I am playing the part of the cat in the production Honk the Musical at Bakersfield Community Theatre. I auditioned for this play because I thought it would be a very fun experience for me, and it has been so far. I love doing theater. I've been doing theater for 10 years, and theater is basically my life. What I want people to get out of this play for my part is that no matter how sly and tricky you think you are, you won't always succeed. And the most important thing is, I want people to come and see this play because it has the very important message and moral that you shouldn't judge a book by its cover.
I am having so much fun directing this musical here at BCT. I am so grateful that the board allowed me to come and direct this show and give me this opportunity to do this. It's so much fun working with this great group of people as they relay my vision of the show to the audience. And the cast has worked so hard to prepare this show, and they're still working hard. And I hope that each and every one of you out there will come out and support BCT and come and see this great show which has a great story behind it. The story is something that we all need in nowadays time. It tells a story about being yourself and not worrying about what people think about you, and that it's okay to be different. And you know, in today's society, everyone seems to judge, and life is too short for that. And so I hope that you all come on down.